Hello, dear Aries. A very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is just experimental video. So I'm doing the singles reading for the very first time. So this is a reading from 25th of May till 25th of June. Okay. So I'll tap into your past energy, your recent energy, present energy, your near future, and if you're connected to somebody or you're dating somebody or you are just as a friend with somebody and you are thinking about a relationship, we will see that energy and the potential of this connection till 25th of June. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Give me a second. Yeah, okay. So, Aries, your past energy, recent past energy. Recent past is like might be you are feeling it from past 1 month or 2 months, or it could also mean that you had a relationship with somebody and after the breakup thing you were feeling like that. Okay, let's see your past energy. Eight of Wands. I feel like there was lack of communication in that connection. Okay, Eight of Wands. And you wanted to communicate something to this particular person. You wanted to have open and honest communication, conversation with this particular person or particular connection. I feel like you felt like this lack of communication, lack of honesty, lack of conversation in this connection. That is why this connection broke up. It is like that. I feel like there was lack of communication in this connection in the recent past. Okay. So, yeah, let's clarify. Let's clarify your past energy. Let's clarify. The Nine of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like you were very stressed out. You were very anxious about this connection, about this particular relationship with in which you were, and you were very clear that you want a stable and a stable and grounded connection with this particular person. Okay, that is why there was a need of conversation, a need of communication from your side. That is why you are feeling like there was lack of communication. Okay, this is your past energy. Let's see what is your present energy regarding love, Aries. Remember, this is for Aries singles only, okay? Let's see your present energy right now is the High Priestess. I feel like you're listening to your intuition. You are working on your spiritual side, the High Priestess. You're just trying to listen to your intuition. You are working on your spiritual side. You are healing yourself. You are just going through this phase of your life where you are no longer interested in bullshit. You are no longer interested in flings, or you are no longer interested in one night stand or something like that. Let's clarify the High Priestess as your present energy. Ace of Wands, Three of Cups, and the Page of Wands. I feel like you want to have a brand new start. Aries, I could sense this, that you want to have a brand new start and you want to reconciliate and you want to, start all over again with this passionate energy. You are still very passionate about this connection and you want to have a reconciliation with this particular person and start all over again. And that is why might be you are just tapping into intuition. You are just trying to listen to your intuition whether this feeling is good, correct or not. This is what you are feeling right now. This is your current energy. Okay, let's see the near future energy. Let's see the near future energy, or the future energy you can say, regarding love. The Hermit. So I feel like you could be dealing with an Aquarius. Okay, so I feel like you are going to think about it very much. You are going to deeply analyze each and everything about regarding this particular connection or regarding your love life in general. So I feel like you are, whosoever is going to connect with you in the future, you are not just jump into this connection or jump into this relationship. Okay, you are going to take your time. You are going to analyze each and everything of this connection. Then only you will allow another person in your life. This is the thing. Let's clarify the Hermit. You want some me time. This is the thing. The Knight of Wands, the Three of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So I feel like you felt like you are not going for anything that is looking physically good to you, because you are deeply heartbroken by something and you are very honest with yourself right now. Okay, so I feel you were might be you were in the flings, or might be you were in one night stands in the recent past or in the past, but now you are very clear that you are not going into jump into something or jump into bed with anybody just for the sake of it. you are going to take your time because you are deeply hurt and you are going through a healing process right now. Okay, that is why right now you are in the future, you are if you are going to be in a relationship with somebody, you are going to analyze each and everything, you know. Let's see what is the energy of the what is the energy of the connection, if you are connected to somebody, if you are dating with somebody, or if you are feeling like you should connect with your person again, with the past person. Let's see. The energy of the connection is the Queen of Cups. I feel like there's lots of potential in this connection. There's love in this connection. There's stability and beautiful energy present in this connection. If you're dating somebody, or if you are feeling like you should connect with the past person, there's love in this connection. Okay, there's still love present in this connection, and I can feel like this is a mutual energy. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. The Strength, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Hermit again. So I feel like you will take lots of time. You could be dealing with the Leo, or your connection, whosoever is coming towards your life in the future is a Leo. So you will just try to hold back. You will just wait for the right time, and you will deeply analyze everything. If you are connected to somebody, if you are dating with somebody, dating somebody, this relationship has the potential to turn into something beautiful, a beautiful loving relationship. Okay, so let's see what is coming towards you till 25th of June. So this is a reading from 25th of May till 25th of June. I hope I told you. So what is coming towards you, Aries? Singles till 25th of June. Seven of Cups, confusion, lots of options. You will have more than two options in your life, Aries. I feel like that. And you will be like, might be confused in between these connections. So there's confusion, there's lots of options coming in towards you till 25th of June, and you will be, you will not be able to decide which one is the right, connection for me, or the right person for me. Yeah, this is what is coming towards you, Aries. More than two connections for you. Good, you have options in your life. Ten of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. So you will be confused because you want a happily ever after with somebody, because you're deeply hurt and you're emotionally off right now. You're not able to understand which is the right thing to do, and you are just letting the universe do their job. This is what is happening. Okay, you are you are not rushing into anything, you are not desperate for anything, but surely you will be confused between so many options in your life. Might be you'll be confused that whether I should focus on my work only, or whether I should give the past person another chance, or give this past relationship another shot, or whether I should talk to somebody new. Or it could also mean that you have lots of people around you, might be two three options in your life, and you're not able to understand which way to go. But you are sure about this thing, that you want a happily ever after with somebody, whosoever is coming towards you. And because you are deeply hurt by something that happened to you in the past, and now you are trusting the universe that yes, it will bring me something good. Yeah, let's pull one card for the lover from the Love Oracle deck for you guys. What is coming towards you till 25th of June, Aries? Love call. Someone will express their love to you, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Yeah, I told you, there are so many people coming towards you, so many options coming towards you, more than two options coming towards you, that I'm sure of. Okay, two or more than two are coming towards you. It is a very, very happy and beautiful relationship is coming toward you. Good. This is good. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight, and you will be able to decide what is good for you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.